Hello everyone, this is Geetika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start exercise 4.4 of chapter 4 simple equations of class 7. So here the question number 1 is, so set up equations and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. I'm going to say here few equations are given to us. They were saying here set up equation of these equation unknown numbers, and we'll find out their values also. So first of all, we'll make an equation of this statement. So what is given to us? Add 4 to 8 times a number. You get 60. We will say here we are having a number. So what we'll do in that number, we'll add 4 to get to 8 times a number. We will say the number is already 8 times, and we will add 4 in this, and at the end we'll get here 60 answer. So it means here. So what we'll do here? First of all, I will assume here a number. So let the number be x. Then according to our question, what is saying here, add 4 to 8 times a number. I'm going to say I will multiply this number with 8x, and add 4 plus 4, I will get here 60. That means equals to 60. It means here now the equation is 8x plus 4 equals to 60 here. Now what is saying here, also find the unknown number. So what we'll do here, I will solve it further. Now again the same criteria will use here. As 4 is going to be adding 8x, so I will take it to the other side in the form of subtraction. So 60 minus 4, it becomes here 56. That means here x equals to 56 by 8. We will solve it, and the value of x is 7. That means the unknown number is 7 here. Same here in B part. What is saying here? 1/5 of the number minus 4 gives 3. It means here again we will assume a number, and that number is 1/5 minus 4. I'm going to say we'll subtract 4 from that one number, and will answer will be 3 here. It means here again let the number be x. Now 1/5 of a number, I'm going to say x by 5. We can write minus 4. So minus 4 equals to 3 as it is given. Now again solve it. We'll take 4 to the other side. It will be positive. So 3 plus 4, that is 7. So after solving we get here x equals to 35, and this is the value of unknown number. Now in next part, what is saying here, if I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. I'm going to say again, I am going to take a number, let it be y. So what is saying, if I take 3/4 of a number, that is 3 by 4y, add 3 to it plus 3, I will get 21. So it means 3 by 4y plus 3 equals to 21, and it is your statement. Now after getting this equation, what we'll do here, after this he is saying that 3 by 4. Now 3 is going to be add here. It will move to the side. It becomes 21 minus 3. That is 18. Into 3 by 4, y equals to 18. And after that I will take this one. 4 is in the form of division. It will be in the form of multiplication to the other side. So 3y equals to 18. Multiply 4. It becomes 72. 3y equals to 72. So y is equals to 72 by 3. So y is 24. And this is your unknown number. Then D part, when I subtracted 11 from twice a number. I mean to say here, again we are not having a number. That again we will take a number, let the number be x. Then what is saying here after that, when I subtracted 11 from twice a number. I mean to say, first of all we will twice a number, I mean to say 2x, and subtract 11 from twice a number. I mean to say 2x minus 11, and you will get here 15. That will be your result. That is equals to 15. Now solve it. 2x equals to 15 plus 11, then 2x equals to 26, and after simplification we get here x equals to 13, and this is your answer of this part. Now in E part, Munna subtracts twice the number of notebooks he has from 50. It means here we don't know how many books Munna has, but what is saying here, he is going to subtract twice the number. I mean to say let the number of notebooks Munna have be x. So what is saying here, that he is going to subtract twice a number from 50. I mean to say there are total 50 books, and Munna is going to subtract twice books, 3 times of those number of notebooks he is having. It means what we'll do here, first of all we'll assume here what the number of books, let the number of books notebooks Munna have be x. Then after that what we'll do here, he is going to subtract twice of the numbers. I mean to say twice means 3x. from 50. That means 50 minus 3x equals to 8, because he finds that the result to be 8. So it means here, when we subtract price of notebooks as he is having from 50, he will get 8 notebooks at the end. So what we'll do here, this is the equation which we want here. So now we will solve it. We will check that how many notebooks Munna has in actual. So 50 is going to be added here. So it will be in the subtraction form. 8 minus 50, that means minus 42. Now minus 3x equals to minus 42. And we will solve it. Here x becomes 14. It means Munna has 14 notebooks. Now in F part, Ibn Hal thinks of a number. It means now Ibn Hal is thinking about a number. If she added 19 to 8, I mean to say the number which she is thinking, if she will add 19 to 8 and divide the sum by 5, and after adding 19, what will be the answer? She is going to divide the sum by 5 and she will get 8 at the end. After dividing the number by 5, she will get 8 at the end. So what we'll do here, first of all, let the number be x. Which one she is thinking, let it be x. Then according to question, what are you having? X plus 19, because she is going, if she add 19 to 8, the number which she is thinking, and she will add 19 to 8 and she will divide the sum by 5. So x plus 19 by 5 and she will get 8, so equals to 8. Now you will see here, x plus 9 is this one complete term is going to be divided by 5. So we will take 5 to the other side in the form of multiplication. So it becomes 40. So x plus 19 equals to 40. So x becomes 40 minus 19, that is 21. So that means here Ibn Hal is thinking about number 21. That is your answer. Now in G part, what they are saying here, Anwar thinks of a number. If he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, the result is 23. Again here we don't know which one number Anwar is thinking, so let the number be x. According to question, what they are saying here, if he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of a number, it means we will take 5 by 2 of this number, mean to say 5 by 2 x. Take away, mean to say minus how much? 7. If we take away 7 from 5 by 2x, the result will be 23. It means it is equals to 23 here. And this is your equation. And now again we will solve it. We will take minus sign to the other side to become positive. 23 plus 7, that is 30. So 5 by 2x equals to 30. Now again we will take this one 2 to the other side in the form of multiplication. So 30 multiplied 2, that is 60. 5x equals to 60. Now what we will do? We will divide this 60 by 5. So answer is 12 now. It means say now Anwar is thinking about 12 number. That is your answer.